What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see, here we have BIOR, Biora Therapeutics, or BIOR, 27.01% up at the time of making the video. And let's just see what were the predictions previously. This is the daily time frame, as you can see here. Yeah, we have a pretty beautiful upside move. It does seem like I was bearish from this point to the lows where we actually made the lows there. So that said, now we're reshifting into that supply area. So as you can see, I have some type of line marked up in here. This was even from 27th of June. So yeah, that's another thing here. What I'm gonna do is just list something in here. I'm actually gonna do everything, and I'm gonna start from the monthly. This is overall where we are. We came back to top into something in here, and we actually delivered to the low, so that is fine. That is absolutely fine. Now, what's the case? Well, let's go to the weekly chart. On the weekly, we made this upside move, and then we came down here. So that was the break that we got. Then now daily starts. It's a little bit more interesting, okay? So on the daily, as you can see, we broke the structure here, just like that. Then we broke the structure two times. If the price ever reaches this point, I will be looking for those upside moves either from there or a little bit below. It will not be wrong, okay? Either from here. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be looking for. Upside moves to at least the supply area because we also have this inefficiency here. Talking about this one, this little bad boy. So that's about it for my prediction about buyer. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. And this is not financial.